Hello everyone, Namaste. I am here to review a book named Catalyst, the ultimate strategies for how to win at work and at life. This book was written by the author is Chandramouli Venkatesan. He was good in his corporate life, so he thought that how could I give the ROI to the peoples, and so he decided to write a book. And before going to the book, let us start with my acquired trait of giving examples. So, how many of you are a fan of fantasy literature? Yes, I am talking about a book named Harry Potter. Can anyone would let me know why Voldemort wanted to kill Harry? Why Voldemort was behind the life of Harry? Yes, that's caused the whole story that it's only because of Harry's personal life. But after the fifth sequence, it was evident and the unfolding of the catalyst was done that it was none other than Professor Trelawney. And so, now coming down to the real corporate world. And so, I would again ask you a question: what a person requires for a successful life, for a successful career? Yes, I know we all would say a good job. But yes, that's not only the thing. There are many more ingredients that are required, like an apt communication skills, leadership qualities, and many more. But I would stop you here. I would tell that that's not what I am talking about. The real success come from the stimuli, the rush of the adrenaline, and definitely the ignite inside us. And for that, let us frame that all this would come in a form of catalyst which would help us to grow a great career. And so, let us think about all of this as a catalyst. And in the same way, the author has described that the things are in the form of catalyst which plays a vital role in any person's life for being successful. And so, Molly sir has simplified this book into three different parts, and which has made it way more simpler to understand and to react to it from my side. And there are many takeaways in this book that I would tell you in the form of questions that you need to get out the answers while reading the book. So, when talking about the first part, it's revolve around the personal growth, the individual growth, and it has perfectly framed with the example of TMRR model. I would definitely not unfold this. Let it be for the you to read this book. And there are many things that how the individual experience is not equal to the work that he has done. Or like many of us says that I had experience of 5 years in marketing. But is that really 5 years? Have you made that 5 years to be the most fruitful one? And yes, that's the question. Apart from it, he has also told us about how we could improve our personal productivity and how we can grow us. So, for all of this, you need to read the book. After the first part, The second part is about the career management, the life and the career management. And so, I would not just Molly sir, there are examples of many others who thinks that our career is divided into two phases, the primary phase and the secondary phase. And yes, the thing that you understand is perfectly right. 95% of us are successful at our primary phase. We are able to achieve our targets, but only 5% of them are there who make it success in their secondary phase. And that's the point. How they did it, what they did it, this all things would be unfolded when you would be firmly reading this book. Now, talking about the third part, terminal part, and the most important part, that how our personal life plays a role of catalyst in our workspace so that we could be more successful. Yeah, what I think is the work, the impact of work on our personal life is far more lesser than the impact of life on work. The most thrilling thing about this book is how a person can convert his passionate hobby in the form of catalyst so that he can achieve success in his career. By bringing all the catalyst in this book under one roof would definitely make a person to his sparkling career throughout his life. And so, at the extremity, I, Swapnil Atre, would say that the tips and tricks that are inside this book are only because the author has applied in his career, in his life, and so that resemble to the current scenario. Now, this book is a must to read if you are in a corporate world, and I would rate this book 4 out of 5 because of the ease that it has in reading. Keep growing. Thank you.